everybody, my name is Multiplayer, and holy crap, we're already playing, Jesus. Oh, that was quick. Anyways, today we're back at Five Nights at Freddy's 4, and today I would really like... Okay, good. I would really like to complete the Night 3, and I think that would be enough, because if you remember from last time... I heard something, but I'm not sure. Just leave. Yeah, at this point, just leave. That doesn't really matter. Okay. Motherfuck. Okay. Fuck! He was really quick, dude. How? Okay. I watched some gameplays, by the way, from some professionals, and I've noticed one thing, that Foxy does not start in the closet, but he makes his way in the closet. You see, he comes from one of the two hallways, and I need to flash him for him not to make it into the closet. And that is what I didn't know. So that is great. Okay. Oh, this is gonna be a nightmare. I can already feel it. Holy crap. Jesus. Okay. Anyways, I hope you had a wonderful day today, guys. Because at least I didn't. Because in school. I haven't enjoyed today because our school is planning to ban phones. Like, it's not really surprising because, well, a lot of schools have already banned them. However, this would also be quite complicated due to, well, my channel, because if anything changed, well, then I will be able to know only in, like, late afternoon when I get home. So, yeah. I'm so scared right now. Foxy made me shit my fucking pants. And the floor turned brown. I don't think that was enough. Yeah, get out, son of a... I really don't know. I just... Motherfucker. Bark for me one more time. Okay. Up. I kind of feel like I'm cooked. Yep, I'm cooked. I'm cooked. I'm grilled to the fucking ground. And I heard that. Okay, good. Oh, not good because... Holy crap. Jump scare? Yep. Oh, gotta say this night is not for beginners. Anyways. We're 4 minutes into the recording, and I already got jump scared 3 times. I don't see a better way on how to start a video. I'm gonna try this to be a little shorter than the usual videos. Mostly because I don't have that much time. And I don't have too much time for a specific reason. The reason is obviously sports, but what kind of sports, you might ask? I am a professional dancer, although I may not look like one. It is true, so yeah. Just noticed that there's a dog barking somewhere in the background. I'm not checking this one. I'm not. Fuck. I'll risk it. Okay. I'm fucking scared. Crap. Okay. Okay. Get up. Let's wait a little more. Okay. Computer. Touch there. No? Okay. But now. He's so fucking fast, dude. I don't get this guy. That's Foxy. That's Foxy. He's gonna bark again. Okay. Dude, come on. Get your fucking head. Oh, that was not good. And I heard that. And I'm gonna get bitten by Chica in the head again. Freddy is gonna bite me in the end. What the fuck was that? Wait, did I do something wrong? What was that? I have a theory about this. I'm not 100% sure, but that looked like the Chica's cake, the cupcake. Oh, fuck me. A little cake, and I get scared to death. Well, at this point, I just don't even want to go in anymore. Holy crap. I might need to take my glasses further, because this is just straight up dog shit and hard. Okay, one more time. Last time I made it to 3 or 4 a.m. I don't remember. You can see them on the video, but I hope I will now reach at least 6 a.m. would be good. You see, the problem is that my computer is always humming, and I hear shit because of that. See, I just don't hear anything in there. Okay, get back here. I swear to God, if Foxy will get there before at least 2 a.m. I'm gonna be pissed. I'm gonna be so pissed. Okay, one day. Where is it? Oh, here. money, 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 money. I don't hear anything. I thought it was just ambience, bro. You see the problem? Hey, hold on. Let me record this one. Just give me a sec. Give me a second. Look at this. This is the computer. And listen to this. Yeah, it's just unbearable. I don't know what to do with this at this point. It just straight pisses me off. It's I need to calm down for this. We're reaching now for 11 minutes. We got jump scared 5 times. I think I'm really not good at this game. No, there's no point in trying that. It's so fucking hard. You can fry eggs on this shit. Okay, I don't know why, but now it stopped recording for a second, so that's awesome. Like if I wasn't stress fucking enough. Was that Chica or Foxy who got making that? I didn't see, I didn't notice. Never mind. You know what? Time is putting pressure on me, and so is this game. I still haven't quite figured out how this works or how the things in here work. So for now, I'm gonna let that sit. And next Friday, I will obviously release another video, but I will release one more video before that, and that will be me finishing off night 3. In the following, I don't know, 4, 5, or 6 days, you will have here a video of me completing the night 3. But this is just me being traumatized by fucking Foxy and the cake. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video, even though it was short and fucking stupid and everything, but that doesn't really matter. I hope you like see me suffering, and thank you so much for supporting me. Maybe it would be cool. I don't want to be a beggar, but I would like you if you can subscribe, please. I don't think 9 subscribers is a lot though. So okay, so thank you very much for watching. Now see you in the next video.